Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In this video, I will cover exercise 7.1 of quadrilaterals. So here first question is, the angles of a quadrilaterals are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. So we have all angles in the form of ratio and we have to find all the angles. So let the common ratio between the angles is x. So now here we can say that A, B, C and D. Suppose these are the angles. So A is 3x, B is 5x, C is 9x, and D is 13x. All are in degree. So we know that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we will add all these and we will make it equals to 360. So it will become 30x equals to 360. That means x equals to 12. So now we can find all the angles. So 3x equals to 3 into 12. 12 because x value of x is 12. So just like that, 3 into 12, 5 into 12, 9 into 12 and 12, 13 into 12. So this will become 36 degree, 60 degree, 108 degree and 156 degree. So you can make quadrilateral according to this. So all angles are in this given quadrilaterals are these 36, 60, 108 and 156. Next question is, if all the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So diagonals are equal. If it is, so what is given? Both diagonals means AC equals to BD. This is given and we have to prove that this is a rectangle. So given that AC equals to BD, to show that ABCD is a rectangle if diagonals are equal. So we will take two triangles. So triangle ABC and triangle BAD. So triangle A, B and C, this triangle, and BAD, this triangle. We are taking these two triangles. So here AB equals to BA, this is common side for both. BC equals to AD, BC equals to AD. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. AC equals to BD, AC equals to BD, it is given. So that therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC by SSS congruency rule. So that in that case, angle A equals to angle B. Angle A equals to angle B. This angle, right? Corresponding part of congruent angles. And then angle A plus B equals to 180. Angle A plus B equals to 180. This equals to this because these two are parallel lines. So in parallelogram, what we say in properties, what we have read, adjacent angles will be equals to 180. So that is the we have written here. So angle A equals to angle B equals to, because these two are equal, so we can say angle A equals to angle B equals to 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle because these two are of 90 degrees. So these two definitely will be of 90 degrees. So all four angles are of 90 degree. So that means this is a rectangle. Question number 3, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So what we have to prove, if what is given, bisecting of diagonals are, these are bisecting perpendicularly. Okay, so we have to prove that this is a rhombus. So what is given, OA equals to OC, because these bisect each other. OA equals to OC, this will be equals to this, and OD equals to OB, this will be equals to this. And what else is given? Angle AOD equals to angle AOB, angle BOC equals to angle DOC. All four angles are equals to 90 degree, right? This is given. And to show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So we have to prove then this is a rhombus. That is, we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram and AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. So this is given, and only the thing which we have to prove, all four sides are equal. So in that case, we are taking two triangles, AOB and COB. So AOB, this triangle, and COB, this triangle. We are taking these two triangles. So here OB equals to OB, this is common side. Okay. And then angle AOB equals to angle COB. Angle AOB equals to angle COB. This is given. Okay. Angle AOB equals to angle COB. This is given. So this angle AOB equals to COB. This is given, and this is equals to 90 degrees. And then AO equals to OC. AO equals to OC because these are the bisecting each other. Diagonals are bisecting each other. So we can say triangle AOB and triangle COB are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Thus, by CPCT, we can write AB equals to BC. AB equals to BC. We can write by CPCT. Clear? Similarly, if we are taking these two triangles now, similarly, we can say AD equals to DC. So here we can prove opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, hence ABCD is a parallelogram. So when these two are equal and in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So this will be equal to this will be equal to this. That means all four sides will be equal. AB equals to BC equals to DC equals to DA. So this is a rhombus. So this is a rhombus whose all sides are equal. And what is this we have proved, and what was given, that was given in diagonals are bisecting each other at right angles. So all conditions are fulfilled. So here you can say that is hence proved. Okay, that's it for today. Come back to my channel for continuation of this topic. If your concepts were cleared, make sure to press like and subscribe button, and yes, press bell icon to never miss out my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.